Nanoleaf sent me the Ultra Black Triangles and the Ultra Black Mini Triangles to celebrate May the 4th, which is Star Wars Day. You can use my code PINAPY10 for 10% off Nanoleaf products, and because Nanoleaf are so cool, I also have a set of Ultra Black Triangles and an expansion pack to give away to you guys, so keep watching to find out more. I actually have the Nanoleaf Ultra Black Triangles right here above me up on the wall. I love these so much. They are a staple of my office because all of my furniture is black, so these ones, when turned off, look like they're actually part of the design. I tend to keep my white Nanoleaf products in my bedroom because all of my furniture in my bedroom is white, so it's nice and matching, whereas in this room everything is black, so having the option to have black triangles and black lines as well just makes everything look so much more put together. Let's unbox this and have a look at what's inside. The Nanoleaf starter kit comes with a total of 9 wall panels, a power cable, a cleaning cloth, a sticker, lots of mounting tape, linking tabs, a controller, and stencils. Now for my least favorite part, setting everything up. I decided that I wanted to keep the black theme running and put these triangle panels in my staircase because I've wanted to shoot content in there for a while and there just hasn't really been enough light to do so. In terms of the design, I kind of just made it up as I went. Usually I'll use the Nanoleaf Designer on the app because it helps you plan out your layout before you start sticking things up on the wall. I love how good this looks. It really illuminates that little area, and it also looks pretty good without the lights on as well. Just ignore the cable. Here's a bonus shot of me hanging out on the stairs. I am so happy with how these turned out. They look really nice in my staircase and it opens up a lot of new possibilities of content that I can shoot down there. Now I know you guys love free things as much as I do, so I'm happy to announce that I also have a set of the Nanoleaf Ultra Black Triangles and expansion pack to give away to you guys. To enter the giveaway, click the link in the description, follow the instructions, and let me know down in the comments which Star Wars movie you would recommend watching first. That's everything for today's video. Thank you so much to Nanoleaf and RocketComs ANZ for sending me this big box of goodies. I'll see you guys in my next video, and may the 4th be with you.